Happy Friday, Simi Valley. I am in my latest listing. We are just about to close escrow on this beautiful home at 2132 Magnolia Street. And I just wanted to let you know that we had 21 buyers, pre-approved buyers, come through this house. Within 3 days, we had multiple offers and we got it into escrow in 3 days. It's about to close escrow for $760,000. This is a 1,008 square foot home, and it's sold for $760,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is upgraded, as you can see, but I'm just letting you know because if you're thinking of selling, you know, your home could probably go in the range of about $760 if your square footage is anywhere between 1,000 and maybe 1,300 square feet. And also depending on where you live and what you've done to the home. But if you're thinking of selling, I would love to help you. I could give you some pre-listing recommendations that won't break the bank, but will make a great impact on how your home shows. So give me a call. I can give you some tips on what to do and let you know what your home is worth in today's market. It's a great time to sell and spring is just around the corner. I hope to hear from you. I'm always available. If you have any questions, you could call or text me anytime. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.